Hello, my name is Collins, and this is a screen recording for SIT 206, that is iOS programming for assignment 2. My student ID is 211183126. Enjoy. Now, I have built what we call a repeat alarm, or what I call a repeat alarm. It is basically a timer, but restarts again once it's complete. Now, if you check on your iPhone apps or simulator, you'll find that the timing app, the original timing app on the iPhone, does not do this. This particular app again starts a countdown, and once the countdown is complete, it automatically starts again. And that's how this app works. So let's run it quickly and see how this app runs. There we go. We've got the repeat alarm icon. It's green with the clock there, and that's the launch view. It's got dangerously good. That's meant to be the name of the company. It's a hypothetical, and this is the repeat alarm. As you can see, it's got its own custom background. I made this on Photoshop. I've got this highly complicated picker view, and if you can take a look, when you see I changed the hour column, the hours change. It's a 12, now it's a 12. It's a 21, it's 21. Minutes does the same thing, 28, 28, 32, and 32 minutes. It's seconds, let's choose 0, and the label here will show us we have 0. This is a label that shows us what duration we have selected. Now let's go ahead and put a duration of 10 or 5 seconds, and let's see this thing running. There you go, 5 seconds, and let's click set. As you can see, it's counting down 3, 2, 1, and the alarm should sound now. And if you could see that, the actual countdown was repeating itself. Let's take a look again. Once it finishes counting down, you will see that the countdown starts again. Here we go. Now that alarm sounds 10 times, so let's make it a bit longer. That way we'll be able to see and hear the alarm going off every time the countdown ends. So let's put it at 13 seconds. So we're gonna do this twice, just twice. That will be 20 seconds. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Stopped. And again. Now, as you can see, the app has sounded itself 3 times actually, instead of 2, and what the original plan was, but irrespective of which, you've seen that the alarm starts again, and this is good for people who want to be reminded of something. For example, drinking water after 1 hour, or check a baby in the room after every hour. It's very good, it's very practical, that's the word. And at the bottom here, you can see we've got this banner. Nice job, you're displaying a 320 by 50 test ad from AdMob. This is an advertising space. I had to sign up on Google and create this space. And what this space does, it runs ads, and more or less it monetizes this repeats alarm. So if someone clicks this ad, I end up making some cash. As you can see, I've clicked it, and it's gonna take me to a web page. As you can see, it's Google, and yeah, that's how the ad works. Yep, and that's it. Now let me show you the code itself. Let's quickly peruse through it. Now, it's not much, but as you can see, it's quite complicated. Like for example, here, I had to create this part with PHP script, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I've commented in the Xcode code, the source code here. As you can see, there's one that says below is a function to start the timer once the start button is pressed. There's also another comment here which shows us the array. Now this array is for the picker view. The picker view is the part where we select. This is the picker view over here. And this array has 3 parts. The first one's for the hours, minutes, and seconds. Now this is the start button over here. It does quite a few things. It hides and shows a few labels, and it's also a timer. Over here is a counter. This one runs on its own. Once you click it, it just keeps going and keep going. It's what's responsible for the repetition of the countdown. Here we've got the request. This part is the Google banner section. This part it has my ID, as you can see, and yeah, it's responsible for showing us the ad. Last but not least, we have the pick a view. Actually, we also have something else, but this is for the pick a view. It's quite complicated as well. There you go. All this is a pick a view. As you can see at this part, it's called update label. Once I change this, it updates this label. This function is responsible for the updates on this particular part. And that's basically it. Oh yeah, we've got one more. The stop code, source code. That's over here. It's responsible for stopping the countdown. If you can set it, you can also stop it. It also stops the sound. As you can see, audio player stop. Thank you for watching this. My name is Collins. This is for SIT 206 iOS programming. Have a good one.